discussion which we would be experiencing on this stage. And I guess this is what WPPS is all about, where the inclusivity is looking like one of its kind. And we are able to experience the women power of our country on the stage. And to do the same, we have already experienced the talent in the first half of the day. And now once again, we request Ms. Manisha Gupta, CNBC Awaaz, please come forward and let's recreate the magic which you have already created in the beginning of the day. So Ms. Manisha Gupta from CNBC Awaaz. Before I invite the panelists, I just would like to give one final reminder. I hope you all have gone through with the checkout procedures at the hotel. Please make sure you have done the checkout procedures. Thank you. And now it's time to invite the speakers. सबसे पहले हम जिन्हें इस मंच पर आमंत्रित करना चाहते हैं, हम निवेदन करेंगे श्रीमती लच्छीबाई जाधव जी से कि वे मंच पर पधारें. श्रीमती लच्छीबाई यादव, अ प्रोग्रेसिव फॉर्मर, और हमारे अपने मध्य प्रदेश से आती हैं श्री लच्छीबाई यादव जी. अगर हम इन्हें मध्य प्रदेश का गौरव कहें तो कुछ अतिशयोक्ति नहीं होगी. अगला नाम जिन्हें हम आमंत्रित करना चाहते हैं, श्रीमती लक्ष्मी विजय आनंद जी, बिजनेस हेड iFood Naga Limited. We request Ms. Lakshmi Vijay Anand to please come and join us on the stage. Next, we would like to have Mrs. Ruchika Goyal, the Director, Shri Kailash Grain Mills Private Limited. Ms. Ruchika Goyal on the stage. अगला नाम जो हम यहाँ से लेना चाहते हैं, श्रीमती सुमन गुप्ता जी, AQC Chem Lab Private Limited से. Ms. Suman Gupta, we welcome you on the dais. Please come and join us here. Another young dynamic leader, Ms. Pooja Palani, the Director of Strain Ingredients India. We invite Ms. Pooja Palani to please come forward and join us on the stage.
We need one more chair.
I request the team to please get 2 more chairs on the dais. And our final invitee to complete this panel, जिन्हें हम निवेदन करना चाहते हैं, श्रीमती श्वेता जिंदल जी, the CEO Administration Shanti Roller Flour Mills. I invite Ms. Shweta Jindal, the CEO Administration Shanti Roller Mills. We welcome you, ma'am, on the stage.
Can we put it this side?
We can add on a chair maybe on the other side of the dais.
Yes.
Till now, we have been appreciating the panels and the discussion while we were concluding it, but for this particular panel, I humbly request, let's give a big, big round of applause in the opening itself, because that's the women power which we are celebrating at WPPS CEO Conclave 2025. With no further ado, I would like to request Ms. Manisha Gupta, CNBC Awaaz, and I want you all to know we will all join in for the lunch right after this session. So please enjoy this session. This will satisfy your appetite of knowledge and wisdom. Thank you so much. Over to you, Ms. Manisha.
Thank you so much, and this is such a pleasure. Team WPPS, this is a great thing done here. Ajay you've been a cheerleader for everything, and we've seen this happen for so many years now. But creating this panel, clearly, cheers to you, my hats off to you for doing this. The last time जब मैंने ऐसा एक women panel किया था, वो था women in mining. उनकी अपनी challenges थी, उनकी अपनी सोच थी, उनके अपने forward thinking थी, और उसके बाद ये second ऐसा panel है जो मैं यहाँ पे कर रही हूँ, जो women in agriculture है, women in wheat है यहाँ पर, and we have a very diversified group here. हम कल से नंबर्स की बातें कर रहे हैं, बिजनेसेस की बातें कर रहे हैं, भाव, प्राइसेस, एक्सपोर्ट, इंपोर्ट, गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसीज. While we might touch a bit on that even now, but this panel is all about heart. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तो हम सबसे यही जानना चाहेंगे कि वो कैसे इस बिजनेस में आई और उनका क्या विजन है यहाँ से. सो दिस इज अबाउट मी टेकिंग अ बैक सीट एंड लिसनिंग टू ऑल ऑफ दीज वेरी हार्ट वार्मिंग स्टोरीज हियर. जादव मैडम, सबसे पहले आपसे जानना चाहेंगे, आप एक प्रोग्रेसिव फार्मर हैं, आपने कैसे खेती करनी शुरू करी? गेहूं में क्या ध्यान है आपका? क्या करती हैं आप एग्जैक्टली?
सबसे पहले तो मैं अपना नाम बताऊं, अपने गांव का और ज़िले। मैं मंदसौर ज़िले के सीतामऊ ब्लॉक गांव दलावदा की रहने वाली हूँ। नाम मेरा लच्छी बाई है और मैं पिछले 4 सालों से सॉलिडेट संस्था से जुड़ी हूँ, जिससे कि माध्यम से हमको मल्चिंग ड्रिप भी मिला। उसे हम सब्जी में लगाकर अच्छा उत्पादन लेते हैं। और गेहूँ वो पूसा मंगल लगाते हैं। हमने 4-5 साल से वो अच्छी वैरायटियाँ लगाई, लेकिन हमको काई में ज़्यादा उत्पादन नहीं मिला। वो पूसा तेजस्वी इस साल 2 साल से वो लगा रहे, उसमें अच्छा उत्पादन मिला हमको।
आप वो माइक ले लीजिए ना। मुझे ये बताइए, आपने कहा कि बहुत सारी हेल्प आपको मिली है खेती करने में, आप कई नई नई टेक्निक्स के साथ काम भी कर रही हैं। घर में और कौन कौन खेती करता है?
घर में हमारे हस्बैंड है, लड़का है, बहू है, सास है। सास तो बुजुर्ग हो गई है अब, मतलब पर तो भी वो भी करती है।
तो आप लीड करती हैं इसको कि हस्बैंड लीड करते हैं?
हम सब करते हैं।
सब करते हैं।
हाँ।
और आप ज़्यादा क्या करती हैं?
हम खेती में निंदाई गुड़े का काम ज़्यादा ध्यान देते हैं। मतलब फसल बिगड़ जाती तो हम ही ज़्यादा ध्यान देते हैं, महिलाएं ज़्यादा।
महिलाएं ज़्यादा ध्यान देती
हाँ,
हैं। तो
और
खेत में कितनी महिलाएं और कितने पुरुष काम करते हैं?
खेत में तो हम 2-3 महिला करती है और 2 पुरुष करते हैं।
और कितना बड़ा खेत है?
15 बीघे का है। तो 5 बीघे के गेहूँ लगाते हैं, लहसुन भी लगाते हैं, प्याज लगाते हैं, चने भी लगाते हैं, सब लगाते हैं।
और आपको लगता है कि विमेन जैसे महिलाएं अच्छा काम कर सकती हैं खेती में, और आपको लगता है बहुत प्रोग्रेसिव काम यहाँ पर हो रहा है?
तो महिलाएं ज़्यादा ध्यान देती है खेती पे, पुरुष नहीं देते, महिला ही देती है ज़्यादा ध्यान। कुछ भी मतलब सब्जियों में सब बाद में महिला ज़्यादा ध्यान देती है।
तो खेती में भी काम करती हैं आप, घर पे भी काम करती हैं?
घर पे भी काम करते थे पिछले 10 सालों से किसान।
और ऐसे इवेंट्स भी अटेंड करती हैं?
हाँ, गांव में किसानों को जागरूक भी करती हूँ। 10 सालों से किसान दीदी रह चुकी पहले में। और पढ़ाई तो सिर्फ 8वीं तक ही है, ज़्यादा नहीं है बस।
चलिए, मोर पावर टू यू, दिस इज़ अ प्रोग्रेसिव फार्मर एंड क्लियरली जिस तरह की सक्सेस स्टोरी आपकी है, काफ़ी ज़्यादा, जैसे आपने कहा, आप उत्साहित करती हैं, प्रोत्साहित करती हैं, जो बहुत ही बढ़िया बात है।
महिलाओं को ट्रेनिंग भी दिलाती हूँ, ये ऐसे अचार की सबकी ट्रेनिंग दिलवाने ले जाती हूँ, गाड़ियाँ भर भर के।
क्या बात है। आप में से कोई करता है इतना काम? कोई नहीं करता। ये सिर्फ विमेन कैन डू दिस। Let me come to you now, and I want to understand, आप wheat as a business में कैसे आए? Is it a family business, and what is it that you bring to the table?
Happy afternoon. Thank you for having me here in Women in Milling. So my name is Lakshmi Vijayanand, and I'm Vijay's wife. And I represent Naga. Naga is a 60-year-old flour milling company from Tamil Nadu. So when I was asked to speak here, I thought I should be speaking something that's different. So I thought, let me pick up my journey and how, I've done my role in the transformation in the family business. So I would want to talk about the IT transformation that I've gone through in Naga. And this is close to about a decade journey. And so initially we had decided that we would want to be in SAP, HANA S/4HANA. But however, it was not a cakewalk. So we had JD Edwards, then we went to another software, and then finally we landed up in SAP. See, whenever we talk about IT, only the computer screen comes to mind. But in reality, it is never that. It is fundamentally the people, and then the process, and then the training that goes. It's more of people than the screens. So I'm a great believer of systems. And we as a family business and 3rd and 4th generation, we believe that there have to be enough and more systems that has to take the business for a longer period of time. So we decided that the core 2 pillars would be, one would be SAP, and the other would be WinCause, which is the milling software from Beulah. So we picked up these 2 as our core icons. And then we started building on top of it. So next was every year we would ask, what is it that we can do better? What is stopping us from growing? And the highest pain points would always come from my inventory person. So next we started working out on the inventory, and then we came up with this inventory management system for the warehouse. So, what is the wheat that they buy? Where do they put? Which lot belongs to which variety? Is it fumigated or not? When was it kept? When was it lifted? And things like that. So we had to solve the warehouse problem. And after warehouse, then came the logistics. So with logistics, we had the weight issue and, the breakdowns, the quantity, the quality, all this was the next piece, which was the logistics issue. We call it the Logistics Pro. And we also have transfer between sister concerns. So we are into manufacturing of pasta. We are also into FMCG. So milling is the mother unit which feeds all the other units. So we would have to have clear visibility of what would their requirements be, and similarly we would have to transfer it to our sister concerns as well. So we worked on the logistics piece. And after logistics, then we had the gate integration, the kind of Wayment integration and all that. After Wayment integration, followed by, once when all these were there, then we went into the payment integration. So whatever I'm talking about, all these integration is a small piece that again builds back to SAP as such. So there is no double entry, there is checks and controls, there is enough and more validation, because every company is very different. That is what I understand. Because the way people run it, some of them would have a corporate office, some of them they would have one person approving it, some of them will have unit level approvals. So the format of which the approvals and the payments, it differs for each of the companies. So this has to be defined to our use case scenarios. So after which then we have a corporate level payment, so where we integrated the bank accounts, the virtual accounts and all that. So after this, after the payment integration, then we had the quality piece that was then integrated, where we had the NIRs, and when we had the procurement, the procurement would go into the quality module. Then we would have a certificate with which it would go to the payment and then to the purchase department. So then we added the quality piece. So we have been adding pieces like this, building blocks.
So is it more like a desk job, or do you go out and get dirty with all of this?
No, none of this is a desk job, because it might look like it is a desk job, but you would have to know what is inside to roll out something in milling.
Did you have to take his approval for this?
Yes, of course, of course. No, but there will be so many things that actually come out, it might look like an SAP implementation.
Does he give you credit for all of this?
No.
Oh, no.
He says, you're doing some IT. I'll say, see what I found today. There is so much of, dust that comes out. There is so much of bags that goes as scrap. All this has not been accounted. That has not been accounted. Because when you have to total everything to 100, you have to know the process to do it. Otherwise, then that is when you have the entire controllability of the system. And then you have to understand why that operator is not able to do a real-time data. He might not have a counter, he might not have the space. But one thing is, whenever I come up with any difficulty or hurdle, I will tell him, I need this sorted out, and it will be sorted out. Otherwise, this is not going to happen.
So tell me, is it challenging? Was it your idea, or did he encourage you for this? Or sometimes it's kids who tell us, go mom, go out, work, it's a family business after all.
Working in the business?
Was it your idea? You wanted to do this?
No, I wanted to work, but the irony is actually I did study IT, but I've never worked a day in an IT company. So luckily my family gave me the leeway to do whatever I want to do.
Amazing.
So I've been marrying the business with IT wherever I've been able to. And the thing is, I might want to work 5 or 6 days of, I mean, 50 to 60% I would want to work. But however, work needs consistency.
It does.
You cannot come on a guest
No.
role basis. So wherever I miss out on that 3 or 4 days, my family pushes me to. So you can't afford to be here, you can't. So it's not that I would take complete credit, but I have the intent to work. But there are people to fill in the shoes and to motivate me.
Amazing. Cheers for you. These are 2 success stories. And we're going to a third one. Ruchika, hi. Ruchika is that side. Hi, Ruchika. रुचिका मुझे बैक स्टेज पे मिली थी एंड रुचिका वाज लाइक मैं इससे बैक आउट होने वाली थी अनलेस आई वाज फोर्स्ड टू सिट हियर रुचिका सो मेनी ग्रेट सक्सेस स्टोरीज अपने बारे में बताइए आप क्या कर रही हैं हाउ व्हाट आर यू ब्रिंगिंग टू द टेबल फर्स्ट एंड व्हाट इज योर enthusiasm what motivates you
Yeah, hi, namaste. Firstly, it's a pleasure and honor to be here. Such power-packed women around me, really inspiring. For me, leadership is not about power, it's about purpose. I'll just give a little background of myself. I started my career in IT in London and worked in a very, corporate culture with very different style and machinery system. In second innings of my life, when after marriage and babies, so it was getting little imbalance in my life. And I saw my husband, Mr. Goyal, is passionate about his work and about wheat.
do you call him Mr. Goyal
Yeah.
really
So, अगर बात करें शुरुआत से तो किसान कौन है औरतें हैं लाची जी हमारे पास बहुत बड़े एग्जाम्पल है हमारी ग्रॉसरी कौन लाता है साल भर का गेहूँ कौन प्रोक्योर करता है खाना कौन डिसाइड करता है तो वी आर ऑन द अदर साइड सो ऑलवेज फैसिनेटेड what is happening at the machine level, what is at the factory level. So सोचा नहीं था कभी IT से मिलिंग में आऊँगी, but thanks to my family, my spouse, lots of push and motivation from them. And then it was a good challenge कि मैं कर सकती हूँ, why can't I? If they are doing, सबसे मेजर हमारा इशू है कि हम ये सोचते हैं this is a male dominated industry, which is right. एंड सेकेंड हमको खुद पे ही ट्रस्ट नहीं कि हम यहाँ फिट होएंगे कि नहीं होएंगे सो वो एज अ चैलेंज लिया हेजिटेशन भी बहुत था पर आई से दिस इंडस्ट्री रियली मोटिवेटेड मुझे लगता था मेरे को जार्गन्स नहीं पता है मैं किससे क्या बात कर रही हूँ क्या भाव है क्या चीज़ें होती है बट स्लोली विथ ऑब्जर्वेशंस एंड थिंग्स आई स्टार्टेड लर्निंग इट एंड वी हैव अ वेरी फैंटास्टिक टीम जिनने खूब हेल्प एंड मोटिवेट किया And few qualities in women we have already inbuilt, like सबको साथ लेके चलना, problem solving, and multitasking. I think so that added a feather into how this helped me in running the show with all the champions there. And it's nice with WPPS platform. आज हमको recognition मिल रहा है, प्रोत्साहन मिल रहा है कि हम आगे और करें. And this is giving lots of way कि not only son daughters also can run the father's show and husband के show में wife भी contributor हो सकती है with full dignity and respect so be it at the floor level or at the board level we take that ownership and I'm really proud of that fact that हमको उतना opportunity भी मिल रहा है उसमें so thank you for having me here for that.
These are amazing stories and we are just waiting for more to listen to these. Suman ji, hi. आपकी भी स्टोरी सुनना चाहेंगे आप कैसे आई क्या कर रही हैं और क्या डिफरेंस क्रिएट कर रही हैं
Yeah. Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Suman Gupta and I am running a company with the name of AQC ChemLab Private Limited. मेरी स्टोरी सबसे थोड़ी सी डिफरेंट है. I was in a teaching profession. I was working as a lecturer in a college from last 15 years. Somehow, somewhere I was thinking it's enough. I want to do something. One day I told my husband that I don't want to do the job, I want to do some business. He was also in the job. He is a chartered accountant and doing a good job with a good public sector undertaking as a GM Finance. He said, it's your decision. I said, fine. When I told it in my college that I am going to resign, my principals thought, and he said, Madam, you're joking. Nobody does it. You're getting a good pay. Anybody will not, nobody will try the business like this. I said, then he said, okay, if you are, they thought कि I'm lying, and they said, okay, अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है, go and try, your job is there, secured for 1 year. I said, I don't think so कि I'll come back. बोले कोई बात नहीं, आप 1 साल 2 साल अपना काम कर लीजिए और आप कोशिश कीजिए, because I don't think so what are you getting in the job, you will be able to do it in the business. So I started business in 2005. And as Ruchika told, it's a male-dominated society, and at that time, so there was no woman. And everybody used to give me a cold shoulder. ऐसे ही family में, my brother-in-law used to do the business. I said, I also want to do. He said, go ahead, if you want to go, give it a try. And 2005 to 2025, I have come a long way. Now people recognize me. At that time, it was very different. We started with the very small things, and now we have come into a very, very long process. But it's a good and enjoyable journey, and I am enjoying it.
Amazing. You know, as I listen to this, वो एक आमिर खान का dialogue याद आता है, छोरियां छोरों से कम होवे क्या? So that absolutely. All right, then. You could have said it better. Why don't you say it?
छोरियां छोरों से कम होवे के?
Pooja, hi. What is your story?
So I'm part of my family business. I'm the fourth generation of entrepreneur. There's a lot of pressure for me because I'm the first woman in 4 generations to.
Why is there more pressure on you?
Because it's like my father does not have a son, and everybody's like, oh, so you don't have a brother. Oh, it's on you to do this now. And I'm like, yes, unfortunately, they didn't have a son. And now, whatever it is.
Don't say
and it's very funny. Everybody keeps asking me, so you don't have a brother? You don't have a brother? I'm like, yes, I don't have a brother. And this is where I'm at, and this is what I have to do at this point in time. And it comes from my grandfather, my father, my uncle. Oh, you have to join the business. You know, this is a family
But
legacy.
you're making it sound as if you're forced to join the business.
Kind of, because
Really?
since the time I was a baby, this was something that was told to me that, you know what, you have to join the business.
तुम्हें तो यही करना है.
Yes, like when I said I want to study something, I'll say, well, like, what are you going to do? Shoe designing? You want to be a mochi? That's what my father said. And then he's like, no, you study business. Stop joking around here and there. Don't waste my money. So I was like, okay.
Are you finally enjoying it now?
Yeah, it's so interesting. And I appreciate the fact that I'm in wheat, I'm in food, which touches so many
So many
people.
opportunities.
And so many people around the world, like wheat as a product is eaten by every person on this earth every single day in one format or the other. So it just brings me a lot of pride. Like wherever I go, there is something for me to learn. There is something new for me to understand. Like you go to another country, you go to another continent. I love how they make breads in different way, how different they are. It's interesting. Like it's the same flour, but used in such different formats. I love that.
So how long did it take from oh मुझे कहाँ डाल दिया to wow I'm enjoying this?
It took me a while. It was a lot of resistance on my part. I really tried not to start working. But once I got into it, I saw factories, I saw farms, I saw the impact it has, like the sheer impact that wheat has more than anything else. I was like, I can talk to anybody because everybody is consuming it whether they like it or not. You eat it, I eat it, every single person over here is eating it. So love that about my work.
All right. I like how Pooja is very animated. She talks and hand also talks. Like Pooja, Shweta is also ghar ka beta. Yeah, what is your story?
Namaste to everyone. So I would say Jai Siya Ram from Ayodhya. I'm ghar ki beti and beta. Yeah. So, in my hands, wheat is not just prosperity or a grain. It is the story of my family, my village, my country and my vision. It is the hard work of my Tauji, late Shri Parmanand Jindal ji, who was the pioneer to start flour milling in India. It started way back in 1960s in Madurai, when our late Prime Minister had brought this motto of just 1 meal a day, Lal Bahadur Shastri ji, our Honorable Prime Minister. Since then, the flour milling industry in our family started. And it went on to Uttar Pradesh, Muzaffarnagar, then to Dehradun, Mumbai, and now Ayodhya in 1989. For me, I'm an educational consultant by profession since last 15 years. I work on the EQ of children, parents, and teachers. Self-esteem is what matters for me. Since 2 days, we've been hearing, everyone talking their minds out about numbers, about policies. Ajay Goelji from CNBC to WPPS, getting all of us together. A big round of applause to him to begin this first. For me, I've come with a story of my heart. And the story is, we're 3 sisters. As a child, as a 6-year-old, I was sent to a boarding school. My father didn't even know the gender of the child, and he got my admission done in Weinberg Island, Missouri. So I've never seen disparity between a boy and a girl. So I would encourage each one of you to join your family business, because first is family. It comes with a lot of hard work, great sacrifice, and we are because of our family, our parents. So to support them is the first step. Whether you're 40 or you're 50, but there's a huge transformation which comes as an option, a choice, but if we prioritize it, it's not difficult. You don't need to be in Silicon Valley to innovate. You can be in Ayodhya, run your flour mill, and with WPPS's networking and the flour mill federation, you can still make a name and become a global wheat miller, still cook chapatis in the kitchen. That's what I feel.
Amazing. Ajay ji, this has to happen every year now. And we have to see newer, fresh faces. And of course, we have to get visions from everybody here as well. I mean, these are the women running your houses and perhaps running your businesses very soon. And because आपके हाथ में mic है, my second round of questioning, आपने सबने अपनी story बताई है, अपनी achievements यहाँ पर share की हैं. My next question to all of you is कि अब यहाँ से क्या change आप लेके आना चाहेंगी businesses में, क्या आप add करना चाहेंगी, आप क्या gap देखती हैं यहाँ पर? So what is your vision ahead?
The biggest challenge that I see is not infrastructure, it is mindset. Mindset to accept where we stand and where we want to be. Export of wheat products should be allowed by the government of India. That's what I feel. It is the mindset. It's not about numbers. And when we talk about women empowerment, so to every woman who's sitting here, you belong. You belong to a room where decisions are made. You belong on the floor where machines hum. And you belong to the future of your daughters. So you got to lead. That's it.
All right, Shweta is all heart. I can so resonate with her. Thank you so much for those words, Shweta.
Thank
Ruchika,
you.
what is it? आपको क्या लगता है? क्या आप करना चाहेंगी अब इस business setup में और क्या कुछ करने की ज़रूरत है?
If I talk about the vision moving forward, firstly, we need to support each other. So I'll say I was lucky, supported by my mother-in-law, to live up my dream, to work. So the first thing which I was discussing with my team also, we need to increase the number of women employed in the wheat industry. So I take, as a company, we have taken target, and that was by our MD also, the 25% employees should be women in the company. So be it floor level, be it sales, quality, technical. So that is first step to support each other.
Ruchika, since you say that, बहुत सारी companies हैं और हम उनसे बात भी करते हैं और वो ऐसा बोलते हैं, women employee लिया तो उनका ख्याल भी रखना पड़ेगा, late हुई तो उसको कार भी provide करना पड़ेगा, guard भी देना पड़ेगा, वो सब चिंताएं दिखती हैं?
ये mindset है. I'll say this is mindset. We are capable, we are traveling out of the earth also, So a trip of short weeks have turned into months. So women are strong enough. Yeah, basic infrastructure, basic facility, I think so wheat industry is capable enough to provide regarding the safety, security, and whatever is required, be it female, be it male. This security and safety is not a gender biased, I'll say. So the norms, the policies should be common, thinking the cruciality of that thing. But the standards are set, we have stepped out, we have to give hand, and our vision is that let's help each other. And Males are not saying that it's a dominated industry, it's just we are saying it. So let's go and let's rock the wheat industry.
Let's rock it then. आपको क्या लगता है, अब जिस तरह का काम आप कर रही हैं, कमेंडेबल है, बहुत ही बढ़िया है. यहाँ से क्या चेंजेस आप लेके आना चाहेंगी जो आपको चाहिए एज अ प्रोग्रेसिव फार्मर? क्या बदलना चाहेंगी यहाँ से ताकि और उन्नति हो सके?
यहाँ से क्या हम और अच्छी जानकारी लेके जाएं, उससे हमको कुछ फ़ायदा मिले.
इंडस्ट्री मदद करती है जब आप इनसे बात करती हैं?
हाँ,
पैसे अच्छे मिलते हैं?
ये पैसे मिलते हैं हमको. ये सस्ता वाले आके तो बताते रहते हैं, जानकारी सारी देते रहते हैं.
अब आप इतना सारा काम कर रही हैं, पूरी फैमिली कर रही हैं. अब अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं अगले 5 साल में आप क्या करना चाहती हैं, तो क्या प्लान है आपके पास?
हम तो यही करेंगे बस.
और अच्छे से करेंगे और
हाँ.
पैसा कमाएंगे?
हाँ,
कुछ और बदलना चाहेंगी?
बदल लो. ये सॉलिडर सस्ता से जुड़ गए, अब क्या हो.
अब इनसे मदद मिलेगी?
हाँ.
ओके. What is your plan? What is your vision going ahead?
Thank you. So, first of all, I would like to, looking at all the women, I've been actually very gifted because my mother, I've always seen her working, and my mother-in-law, she's also a doctor, so I've seen her as a career woman. So working or not working was never an option for me. I've seen women only working and also take care of the house. So I would like to give, because I started in that kind of a blessed place where I was educated and I was given every equal opportunity. When it comes to what is the biggest challenge, again, I will completely reckon to what other people say. Mindset, skill set, and knowing that you have a gap in the skill set. I don't see people putting that kind of effort and time to build their skill sets. I feel that is the biggest challenge that is there in any industry. That is this. And however, as to what is the vision, we are a joint family. About 8 of us are working together in this industry. So I will also have my vision added to the vision bottle. So I would want to create a global brand. Wow. I truly believe with the kind of quality and the kind of knowledge that we have that, we are very much capable of doing it from India. So I think that's my vision.
सुमन जी.
हाँ जी, विज़न की बात करें तो मेरा विज़न तो पूरी वीट इंडस्ट्री के लिए है कि मैं एक्सपेक्ट करूँगी कि आने वाले सालों में पूरी वीट इंडस्ट्री फोर्टिफाइड फ्लोर बनाए. अब आप सब सोचोगे कि मैंने तो अपने फ़ायदे की बात कही है क्योंकि मैडम तो यही काम करते हैं और वो चाह रहे हैं कि सारे वही काम करें. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. आज हम सब बैठे हैं, सब बहुत दिग्गज है, मैं तो उसके सामने कुछ नहीं हूँ. आज हम अगर चाहें कि बच्चे को कहाँ से पढ़ाना चाहते हैं, सब कहेंगे भाई मेरा बच्चा अगर यूएस में पढ़ ले बिकॉज दैट एजुकेशन इज़ द बेस्ट. सबसे बढ़िया चीज़ है कि यूएस से पढ़ के आए, हार्वर्ड से पढ़े. वी फॉलो यूएस. टेक्नोलॉजी वी फॉलो द बेस्ट इज़ यूएस. येस देयर आर अदर्स बट इट इज़ देयर. एवरीबडीज ड्रीम इज़ दैट वी शुड गेट समथिंग फ्रॉम यूएस. नाउ लेट अस टॉक इन देयर लैंग्वेज. देयर इट इज़ मैंडेटरी टू फोर्टिफाई द फूड. यूएस इज़ द कंट्री जहाँ पर लेजिस्लेशन है. So only few countries, though mandatory food fortification is mandatory in more than 90 countries of the world. More than 90 countries of the world, and India is not a part of that. We have to think about it. It's not my business or my business is running, there's nothing like it. Why we can't think about it? We are talking wheat and health. आज हम बाज़ार में जाते हैं और दूसरा एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. व्हेन वी हैव अ चाइल्ड, हम उसको थोड़ा न्यूट्रिशन देते हैं, बोर्नवीटा देते हैं, कॉम्प्लान देते हैं, एनीथिंग इज ताकि बच्चे की ग्रोथ अच्छी हो. व्हेन इट बिकम्स 12-14 साल का फिर हम छोड़ देते हैं. नाउ यू ईट व्हाट डू यू वांट टू ईट. अपने आप खाएंगे ना, पता है कि क्या खाना चाहिए क्या नहीं खाना चाहिए. व्हाई? एवरीबडी व्हाटएवर द वेज, whatever the sex, whatever everything, everybody needs nutrition. We don't know actually what we should eat. फोर्टिफिकेशन में वेरी लीस्ट कॉस्ट पे आपको एटलीस्ट अपनी बॉडी की आरडीए का 50% मिल जाएगा, बाकी 50% आपको हो जाएगा। और हम कुछ खाएं ना खाएं, चावल, रोटी और whatever you eat, you are going to eat it. So इससे बेस्ट तो I don't think so it can be. This is known as addition. There are two things, fortification and enrichment. What is enrichment is, wheat में already बहुत सारे carbohydrates, proteins and vitamins हैं, but due to process some are lost. So when we add what is lost, it is known as enrichment. But fortification is adding more. Whatever we are deficient, everybody of us is malnutrition. आज आप कुछ टेस्ट कराएंगे, किसी में विटामिन ए की डेफिशिएंसी है, किसी में विटामिन बी की है, किसी में आयरन की है। हमारी more than 60% of the population is anemic. It is a true fact. तो we are getting it without doing any extra effort. और सारे सब लोग जो इंडस्ट्री के दिग्गज हैं यहाँ बैठे हैं, they can try to do it with CSR also. Without any cost, you are getting a product, and we will become equal to the other better countries of the world, where it is mandatory. Why not our product should be better? अभी तो हम कह रहे हैं ना कि let us add something to our product. So that is my vision if you have asked for the vision.
Amazing.
Thank you.
Finally, Pooja.
Innovation wise, I think we need to focus. Personally, I feel that given the political situation in the world, it's more important for us to have food security. And while global warming is, surfacing and our wheat and all other products, all our staples are getting affected, I think we need to look more inwards, do more research as to how we can make India. We rely on domestic. Our GDP is 70% domestic. So we're not reliant on another country for our basic necessities, but climate is not going to spare us either. So if we do not start now, we're going to be in a precarious situation like all the other Western countries where they rely on other countries. So I think the need of the hour is to start now. We are doing bits, but I think it needs to be done at a larger level where in this conference we've not used plastic. I think it needs to go deeper, it needs to go further so that we as a country remain self-sufficient, and given today we're on the verge of a war, we really need security. And we already have 2 active wars. I don't think we should wait for our turn to come before we do something about it.
Totally agree with that. So here we have beautiful, smart, intelligent women, progressive and forward-looking as well, and have very, very strong vision. 3 cheers to all of you. Thank you so much for being part of this panel here and sharing your stories here. Thank you.
Thank you very much. I request you to please be there, and request Manisha ji to give away the mementos to all your panelists. तो मैडम को So the first one to Lachibai Jadhav, the progressive farmer from Madhya Pradesh. Thank you. The second one to Mrs. Lakshmi Vijay Anand. To Mrs. Ruchika Goyal. To Ms. Suman Gupta. Mrs. Sorry. Miss Shweta Jindal for you. Pooja, did you get your name was called out? Sorry? Your name was not called out, no? No, it was. Yeah. And Pooja Palani. Thank you very much. कौन रह गया? So there's one more we wanted to give away to Mrs. Lakshmi Vijay Anand. She was not present yesterday. I request that it be handed over now. So thank you very much, everybody, and I request everybody to come forward for the power-packed photograph. Next one. And I would take this opportunity to click one of myself with all of them.
I genuinely want we all should give a round of applause to WPPS and this wonderful initiative where we are supporting and promoting the women leadership and the innovation in the space of wheat product promotion society. This is really, really amazing. Thank you so much. And now I would like to take a couple of names. If you are all present here, we would like to invite you on the stage. If we have any representative from Patanjali Food Limited. All right, so thank you so very much. We extend a great thanks to all of you all who are present here. All our sponsors, all our partners, all our speakers, all our moderators. We extend a big, big thanks to all of you all from the stage of CEO Conclave 2025. And we look up to the same energy and enthusiasm for years to come. We invite all of you all to please come and join us for the farewell lunch together. Thank you so much. Enjoy the day ahead and looking forward for more such gatherings together. Good luck everyone, and this is Anchorman signing off from this